In this scenario, we will discuss Canary deployment with istio. So here we have a slightly faulty deployment of app v1 of the application, and we currently have 14% error rate, and we want to fix that in production as soon as possible. So for that we are going to deploy the v2 of the application, but we don't want to redirect all the traffic from v1 to v2. We just want to deploy a fraction of traffic through the v2. So for that we need weighted traffic, and istio provides us just that. So istio has a Kubernetes resource named http routes, and it provides a weighted route. As you can see, we are routing our traffic through API gateway. So as we have a API gateway HTTP route here, in the rules section we have weight. We can just reduce the v1 weight to 80% and 20% of new load to the API gateway v2. Okay, let's save and close. Now we just have to wait for it to happen. Yeah, as we can see, the new version of the application is receiving traffic, and here we are just receiving 2.7%, but we declared 20%. Let's wait for some time and see what happens. Yeah, we are increasing in live traffic, and it's 9.9% now. Okay, now it bumps up to 16%. That means pretty close to 20%. Yeah, and as we can observe, we have added OpenTelemetry to the new version, and the new traffic is fully operational and errorless. Yeah, so now we are sure that the v2 is working properly. Now we can just bump up the traffic flow, so we don't need any traffic to the v1. We will reroute all the traffic from v1 to v2, and these are just weight. It's a percentile conversion. We don't have to use 0 and 100. It's just for our understanding. Yeah, now as we have saved this, we should see increase in traffic. Let's see, let's refresh. No. Did I just sorry, WIGST. Yeah, it's all right. Yeah, the traffic is now getting a higher percentage on v1, oh sorry, v2. If we wait for a little bit, we can see that the whole traffic is now routed through v2, and v1 is inactive now. Yeah, so we may have some events going on to the v1, but the live traffic is fully moving through v2. The code of the demo is attached to the description or the comment based on the platform I'm putting it. And best of luck coding.